My name is Dasig Jomar from BSc 44, and now I'm going to recite the 10 basic international human rights standard for law enforcement. So, standard number 1 is equal protection. Police must treat all people fairly, no matter who they are. So, nobody should get special treatment. So, example here is officers protect both street vendor and uh, businessman or businesswoman uh, during a robbery. So, standard number 2, respectful treatment. Law enforcers uh, must act polite and professional. They should not shame or insult anyone. Example is an officer politely an officer politely ask for an ID instead of yelling at the driver. Standard number 3, use of force. Force must only be used if needed and should should match the situation. It should not be excessive. Example here is uh, police use handcuffs to stop a drunk person from hurting others, not a baton. Standard number 4, policing non-violent assemblies. Uh, Peaceful gatherings must be allowed without police harassment. Officers should only step in if violence starts. So example here is police stand by to keep order during a prayer rally without interrupting. Number 5, standard number 5, lethal force. Deadly weapon must only be used to save lives. It should never be the first choice. So, use of lethal force is uh, it's not the first choice, but it is the last resort. So, example here is an officer fires only when an armed attacker points a gun at civilians. Standard number 6, arresting persons on legal grounds. So, arrest must only be based on evidence or warrant. So, not on personal feelings. Illegal arrest are violation. Example here is um, a theft caught on CCTV is arrested. So, not someone who just pass not someone who just passed by the scene. Standard number 6, detainees' rights. Suspects have the right to suspect have rights that must be respected, even if guilty. They must be informed and allowed legal help. So example here is police let the suspect call their lawyer before questioning. Standard number 8, humane treatment of detainees. So people in custody must be uh, cared for properly. Abuse or neglect is not allowed or never allowed. So example here is a detainee is taken to the hospital when they get sick uh, in detention. So standard number 9, refusal to obey um, unjust orders. uh, officers uh, Officers should reject commands that harm human rights. So following illegal orders uh, is also a crime. So, example here is a policeman refuses to shoot unarmed protesters even if told to do so. So, standard number 10, reporting violations. Police must expose wrongdoing to protect people rights. So, silence only covers up abuse. Example here is an officer reports a colleague who six colleagues who an officer reports a colleagues who ask bribes from drivers.